Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Andrew from Sneakerology023 coming back at you with another video. As you can see, we got another pickup right here, and these came from the good fellas overseas. And without further ado, let's unbox these shoes real quick. So as you can tell from the title, they are the Air Jordan 1 Union LA's, the Shadow Gray Chicago colorway, and the sellers actually is in bubble wrap, so that's a nice touch right there to protect the shoebox. And here's the shoebox right here. It's just a typical Union LA box with the Jumpman in red. There's the size tag, size 11, my size. There's a color code and everything. On the back side, you got Nike logo in the back of the box, and just a bunch of Jordan branding on the lid. You got Nike Air branding on the bottom. Flipping open the box. First of all, I want to give a shout out to icystar.ru. They're the ones that provided this shoe for this video. You can use my discount code GIST for additional discount. So unboxing this shoe, you can see right here, the shoes are very fresh, very clean. If you guys weren't able to cop these on release, these are a nice alternative. They're exactly the same as retail. Comes with extra pair of laces, as you can see right here, yellow laces. I'm putting the other shoe to the side. And the tissue paper, it has Union LA print all over it. You can get a detailed look right there. Swoosh box has a lot of details right there, Union LA. And with the tongue, so yeah, so there's the tissue paper that comes in the box. All right guys, so we're gonna be checking out the right pair right here. So give a 360 view of the shoe. As always, we're gonna start off with the outsole. So the outsole, you got traditional Air Jordan 1 outsole in red, and you got the Nike branding in the middle of the outsole. Moving up, you got a sail colored midsole right wrapped around the shoe. It's more of like an off-white sail color. And on the uppers, you have this nice red leather, pretty good quality on the uppers right there. And also you got a sail colorway on the toe box, tumbled leather, as well as yellow piping. It's like a gold piping accents around the panels right there. You can see wrapped around the shoe. And on the swoosh, you got a black swoosh. It's more of like a Durabuck, not leather. It has a nice good texture to it. And on the upper portion of the collar, you got the Shadow Gray in leather with the Air Jordan Wings logo on the other side, and you have a nice suede on the upper collar there, and also blue, light blue stitching around the collar as well, as also with the Union LA labeling. On the tongue, you got a sail tongue with that blue stitching right there in the middle, as you can see. You also have black mesh on the upper, and it's just made out of foam pretty much, the tongue. And the Nike Air logo tag is actually just like paper, it feels like, but you can see the foam right there. So pretty flimsy quality, if you ask me, for the tongue label. And here is the hang tag. You got a Jumpman logo with the Union on it, a blue colored hang tag. That's a nice touch to it. Inside, you got a shoe tree, cardboard shoe tree. The laces, it comes with black and shadow gray that are on the comes with the shoe. And on the insole, you can see it's just a Union insole, plain insole. It's actually a Duracell insole, as you can see it here. Pull up the insole for you guys. On the footbed, just the stitching right there, another look. And I'm gonna give you a quick look at the size tag for you guys who want to check that out. You want to pause the video right there. All numbers check out. Very nice. And here is the other shoe. Comes with 2 sets of laces, gold and yellow color and a sail and black color. So 3 pairs of laces in total come with the shoe. And there you have it, guys. So here's another look at the shoes once again. Big shout outs to icystar.ru. You can hit them up on Instagram as well. There's their Instagram, icystar_top, and use my discount code GIST for extra discount. Please like, comment, subscribe. Take it easy. Peace.